Namaskar, myself Divyakant Tiwari. I am from BSc from Ewing Christian College. Here we know about intellectual property right. What is intellectual property right? Intellectual property right, which is also known as idea, invention, manuscript, and etc. So, content. What is copyright? Why protection of for IPR? Free riders, incentive rewards, social benefits, IPR are in territorial rights, negative rights, exclusive rights, bundle of rights. Kinds of IPR. IPR copyrights is a legal term used to describe the right that creators have over their literary and artistic works. Works covered by copyright range from books, music, painting, sculpture and etc. And second one is a patent. A patent is an exclusive right generated from an invention. And third one is a trademark. A trademark is a sign capable of distinguish design. And industrial design constitutes or ornamental or aesthetic except of an article. A design may consist of three-dimensional features, and the geographical indication and application of origin or sign used to goods that have a specific geographical indication and possess qualities, a reputation or characteristic that here essentially attributable to that place of origin. Trade secret are IPR rights on confidential information which may be solar insensitive. What is covered in copyright? Original literary and artistic work, example writings, music, works of fine arts, paintings, drawing, and cinematography, films, sound recordings, copyright protection in expression, not in ideas. Indian Copyright Act 1957, it is basically two types, economic rights and moral rights. Economic rights as per section 14 of Copyright Act, right of reproduction including electronic means, right to distribute and sell, right of adaptation, right of translation, right to make any cinematography, film or musical recordings. Moral right as per section 57 of Copyright Act, right of paternity to claim authorship of the work and exclude all other forms claiming the authorship of his work. Right of intellectual property to prevent distortion, mutilation or other alteration of author work. Exception to copyright infringement. Following acts are not infringement. First, private or personal use, including research, criticism or review whether of that work or any other work. And the third one is reporting of current events and current affairs, including the reporting of a lecture delivered in a public. The fourth, that is the reproduction of any work for the purpose of a judicial proceeding or for the purpose of a report of judicial proceeding. Exception to copyright infringement, making a maximum of 3 copies for the use of public library, reproduction in a newspaper and magazines of the article of the current economic, political, social, religious topic in certain situation. Reproduction by a teacher or a pupil in the course of instruction or as part of a question paper or in a answer to such question. Whether registration is essential, advantage of registration, documentation comes in a place in terms of assignment, non-objection from others, remedies for copyright infringement, that is civil, criminal, administrative. Civil remedies, injunction, accounts for profits, damage, delivery of infringements, copies, damage for conversion, judicial civil Judicial in civil courts. Criminal remedies. Imprisonment 6 months to the 3 years, fine 50,000 to 2 lakh, seizure of infringement copies. Administrative remedies. Registrar of copyrights can ban the import of infringement copies into India when this may happen due to the importation. Thank you.